Hello Adha.
Hello.
Today we will draw a very interesting composition. Okay.
Let's start.
Okay, see, at first we have to draw a circle for her face. Then we will draw her body with a cup. After that, we can draw her lower part with an inverted glass.
Okay.
Now see, we'll complete a pot with a circle. Also, we have to complete the legs, neck. Okay.
Okay.
So Adha, see, in this way we have to complete whole figure. Okay.
Okay.
Adha, it is tough.
No, it is easy.
Can you draw this one?
Yes.
Okay. So it's better at first you can draw this one properly. Okay.
Okay.
After completing this one, we can go background.
Okay.
Now see, we'll draw a heart. Then we'll draw a tree from here. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have to draw this one very lightly. Okay.
Okay.
And try to avoid the eraser.
Okay.
Adha, do you like to draw this type of drawings?
Yes.
Why do you like this type of drawings?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So see, almost our composition, basic composition is completed. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if we want to draw pastel color, then we can use outline with black pen or black sketch pen. Okay.
Okay.
So see, it's better here we can add some goats. See, here we have to draw some goats. When you draw goats, here also you have to follow the steps. Okay.
Okay.
See, all goats are same drawing. Okay.
Okay.
Now just we have to complete the background road, then we can start outline.
Okay.
Also here also we have to draw a pot. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can start the outline. Okay.
Okay.
When you draw outline, at that time you have to complete the outline very clearly.
Okay.
Now see, you can see the full drawing properly.
Okay.
Now Adha, see, the lady is completed.
Okay.
So can you draw the lady?
Yes.
And it is tough.
No, it is not stuck.
And see the goats. Can you draw the goats?
No, I cannot draw the goats.
But you have to draw. If you follow the steps, then you can draw. Okay.
Okay.
So in this way we have to complete the whole outline. Okay.
Okay.
After completing the outline, we can start the color.
Okay.
So here we will learn only drawing. Okay.
Okay.
So see, our composition almost completed.
Okay.
Now we have to complete this one properly. Okay.
The picture is very nice.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye